In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the drop-down menu to your Shopify store. Head to Customize Theme, customize your theme, and then basically click on Customize and head to this page right here. So this is my theme. This is the customization page. I'm going to basically do this basic thing. Head to my header, make sure it's header right here, or from the left sidebar, and then go to the right side where I can see the changes. Right here, I'm going to be able to select the desktop menu type. I can either set it to be a mega menu or a drop-down menu. And that's basically it. I can even change the position, the padding, the theme settings, for example, if I would like to add any social media. And then just make sure that the drop-down is active. Click on Save on the top right corner, and that's basically it.